We are ready for the next step. Now, Johannes, it's your turn.
Dirk, thank you very much for this perfect printed sheet. So let's have a closer look on our new rotary die cutter. To this machine, of course, we also applied the new design, the new machine design. So it looks like a beauty, but when it comes to your production, it really works like a beast. So our CutProX 106 with embossing, creasing, cutting, stripping, and the final blanking. The machine itself, the base, well-known repeater technology, our drivetronic feeder, the suction belt, and of course the SIS, the sensoric in-feed system, with a very, very nice side alignment. And when we are talking about accuracy, we are talking about accuracy in this machine of a printing press. So 15 microns from the feeding till the end of the process. And here our first process step, the embossing. The embossing unit with 2 magnetic cylinders, the female on top and the male on the bottom, so we can create a good embossing. The next unit, this is the same principle, 2 magnetic cylinders, and we are working with those steel plates. Those CNC manufactured steel plates with register holes in the register leashes. So it's click to cut principle. We only have to plug in the plate and we are already in registration. The next unit, the heart of the machine, so to say, is our cutting unit. Here we have again the CNC manufactured cutting plates, and you can implement your own laser nicks if you want to, but you can also make nicks by your own, and this is where we can produce the cutting. And the final step is our stripping unit, and here we are working with coating plates. These coating plates are cutted on our own cutting plotter, and you can see male and female, and our female plate has those vacuum chambers where we push in the waste pieces, suck it to the cylinder, and on side 2 we can extract them out of the machine. So welcome to our comment center, where Christian is already producing our printed sheets. On our tile plate we have a conveyor. This conveyor works as a transfer station, and between every stack we are producing we have this very fast curtain, and then we can lower the conveyor and run the stack on our transfer section. When the stack comes to the transfer section, we're heading over to this turning conveyor, which brings the stack to the first side alignment conveyor. There we get a nice side alignment before we come to the registration table itself. Our registration table is equipped with side joggers, and the side joggers are making all the little intolerances out of our little stack, so we get a nice clean stack all around. And then we can run this stack into our blanking unit. The blanking unit works with 4,000 pins on top and 1,500 pins on the bottom, and we are pushing the waste to the bottom. The lower pins are holding up the blanks, and as you can see, here it is also possible to work with a tool. This tool is a new development we are using for single cut and double cut jobs. So both now is possible and available while we do the blanking. You can see here the stacking conveyor grabs all the blanks and places them here on our final pallet, so the final palletizing process. So what have we done, Dirk, so far? We have done the embossing in the first unit, the creasing in the second. We have done a nice cutting of our outline, the stripping in the fourth unit, and the final blanking. And now, Dirk, it's your turn.
Thank you very much, Johannes.